Ever wondered what it's like inside a crane? Looks a lot like a submarine or a boat inside. Here's a normal part. It's got a library. Contains our drives. This runs the auxiliary hoist. Oh, and it's air conditioned. How nice is that? There's the long travel drive over there. Various kits stored in the other end. Some suits with reflective vests. Right now the power's off. And only one of the emergency lights is still holding out. And hopefully soon we'll have power back on, and they've got the electrical supply service and all this stuff done. And we can get on with doing some work here. Big old forester drives for the main hoist, contactors and stuff. It's nice and clean in here at least. Fortunately this area is kept neat to try and preserve the equipment. And over there we go. That's one of the that's a long travel drive, I think. You can hear the guys working above me. They're busy with the air hose and a big vacuum cleaner. Below us is a furnace, and it generates a lot of dust. A lot of dust. Piles and piles of the stuff. Part of the maintenance day is to get rid of all that. So right now we hold up inside here until that's done. Then I can get on with making this work. And then I can get down. One of the problems I had is that the information about the motor we need to control is not on the paperwork, but I phoned the manufacturer of the hoist and they kindly supplied it. It should speed things up and I can get this auxiliary hoist commissioned and working. I can get out of here. Part of the power being off is the air conditioning is off and it's starting to warm up here. For now we just gotta wait another hour or two. It should be done. I can do my job and get out of the steel prison. Chat to you later.